So I want to take a moment here and show you how cool it is to see the relative distance and speeds of the planets using nineplanets.org. If I click the play button, we're on the date today, right now. It's August 31st at 9:30. If I hit play, everything's going to move correctly in relation to each other. I'm going to slow it down a tiny bit. The Earth rotates once every 24 hours. We're doing a full 24 hours every couple moments. But if you want, you can go farther away. There's Ceres, the biggest of the asteroids. I can see even Jupiter and Saturn. And if I were to fast forward it even more, including Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto, you'd be able to see that the planets are not all going the same speed. If you compare Uranus, Saturn, Neptune, Pluto, and Jupiter, the outer planets plus little Pluto, look there, he just crossed into the orbit of Neptune, which immediately makes Pluto a non-planet. But look, Jupiter is way faster than Saturn. I find it a little hard to focus sometimes when we're that far away. So if I zoom in with just Jupiter and Saturn, I can tell that Jupiter and Saturn are way slower than the inner planets. And if I zoom in just on the inner planets, it's kind of mind-blowing. I have to slow it down even. But if I slow it down, I can tell that Mercury is the fastest. I can tell that Mercury goes between the Earth and the Sun every once in a while. Most of the time it doesn't go right in front of the Sun. It's just above or below it. Mars is the slowest of the inner planets. It's the one farthest away from the Sun. You can always look at everything from the side, and that looks pretty cool. We just had a little transit of Venus that blocked a little bit of light from the Sun. So you are free to go to the internet and find this site and play around with all the cool features.